Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of creating wealth. And not just any kind of wealth, but the kind that lasts. If you've ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer, well, you're about to find out. First off, let's talk about the power of investing. Investing isn't just for the suits on Wall Street, it's for anyone who wants their money to work for them. Think of it as hiring your dollars to go out and bring back more dollars. Simple, right? Whether it's stocks, real estate, or even investing in startups, the key is to start early and stay consistent. Next up, diversification. Ever heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? In the financial world, this couldn't be more true. By spreading your investments across different assets, you reduce risk and increase your chances of hitting that wealth jackpot. It's not about betting everything on one horse, but having a stake in multiple races. Now, let's not forget about passive income. This is the golden goose of wealth creation. Imagine earning money while you sleep. This could be through rental properties, dividends from stocks, or even creating digital products that sell over and over. The goal here is to build income streams that don't require your constant attention. Lastly, financial literacy. This is your secret weapon. Understanding the basics of finance, like how interest works, the impact of inflation, and how to manage debt, will set you apart from the crowd. It's not just about making money, but keeping it and growing it. So whether you're just starting out or looking to amplify your financial game, remember these strategies. Invest wisely, diversify your portfolio, create passive income streams, and never stop learning about finance. With persistence and a bit of savvy, financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's an achievable goal. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your success. Let's make that money work for us.